Hi, I'm Zara, colour expert for Sally, and today we're talking about the XP family. A whole range for all your colouring needs, with great reliable formulas, shade stability, glossiness and shine throughout the hair. This is the perfect colour for no compromise for every cost-conscious hairdresser. XP100 Intense Radiance. With over 75 shades in the portfolio, giving up to 100% coverage on each colour with our micro-pigment technology. The key ingredients are the 9 essential herb extracts, which really help to preserve the natural beauty of the hair and to give optimum shine. Essential rosemary oil really helps to preserve the hair's natural structure whilst colouring and after colouring. XP100 Light Radiance. A mildly oxidising demi-permanent colour. It's made with shine polymers that coat the outside of the hair to really help reflect the light and give longer lasting shine. Colours have been enriched with keratin, which help to create longer lasting rich results. With just over 30 shades in the portfolio, this is a great range for you to use for adding depth and for toning any of your highlights you've done with other colour ranges. XP200 Natural Flare. With 65 shades in the range, this is the great colour portfolio for your natural translucent colour flare. With 100% grey coverage, this colour is great for all of your clients' needs. Each of our colours have been enriched with micro colour pigment technology to really make sure that the colour goes all the way into the hair's structure. Our colours have also been enriched with vitamin C to give extra nourishing and shine whilst colouring and after colouring, and also provide extra UVB protection and for great reflection of light. Our high lift range will give me up to 4.5 levels of lift.